morning students. Today I will teach you editing the documents. That editing the documents, what and all is there means just you can how to edit. That is how to edit means, so whatever it is, that is a editing documents, that is a deleting modification, that is called to what, that is a editing. So editing means that is the correction of documents. For example, the correction of documents. The correction of documents, what and all is there means, that is a backspace. That is what, backspace. Next to one, what is this? This is delete key. The backspace key in keyboard also is there, then delete key also keyboard also is there. Sir, this backspace key what will do means, that is a left side character will be deleted. Left side character, not for word, that is a character, letter by letter if you delete it. Okay, the insertion pointer is there means left side if you delete it. Okay, delete key you can press means, that is what is this, that is a right side character will be deleted. So that is called to using for the editing the documents. Okay, so editing the documents, these two different views is there. That also that is a second one. Next one, what is that means, one special editing is there. That special editing means what is it, the insert key. What is this? Insert key. Sir, insert key where it is there in keyboard means, then entry key after is there, no, entry key after what will is there, that is a four key is there. The four keys what and all is there mean, delete key, insert key, page up, page down is there. That place insert key also is there. The insert key you can press, that means that is the insert mode. The insert mode if you appear, the insert mode and type over mode is there. Insert mode means that is a right side text, it is a appear. Appear means if you move to right side, if you any character or any letters if you type or delete means, that is the insert key, if you press and delete means the right side if it will be moved. Okay, in case insert mode if you deactivate means, that is a type over mode. Type over mode means that is a overwrite. Overwrite means the right side character or letters, that is a disappear. What is this? Disappear. That is called to insert mode and type over mode. Insert mode and type over mode. So this is a editing document. There are two ways is there. One is, what is this, backspace. Next is delete key. That is a insert mode and delete mode also is there. That is a insert mode means, that is a right side character appear. Appear means that is a right side will be moved. Existing words or letters will be moved. In case insert mode deactivate means, that is what is it, that is a type over mode. Type over mode means that is a right side character, it is a overwrite. That is called to difference between insert mode, type over mode. Okay, so this is a editing the documents, students. So one more editing, what does that means, there is many editing is there, that is this also one of the typing of editing. So next one, it is a select, move and copy. Select means what, that particular text or word or paragraph, whatever it is, one document fully you can select, that is your wish. Okay, move means what, one place to another place if you shifted, old place is not there, that is called to move. Okay, copy means what, old place also is there, new place also is there, that is called to copy. That is called to copy. So this is one of the editing document. Okay, sir, first of all I do the select the text. How to select the text? Okay, sir, how to select the text in word processor means, that is a what purpose you can select, that is a copying and formatting, whatever style you can changing means, first of all you can select. Okay, the select is two methods there. What is this, continuously selecting and non-continuously selected. Sir, எனக்கு first line then fifth line only you can change it means, first line means selected means, that is a first line and fifth line selected means non-continuous. first line to fifth line if you change means fully you can select it means that are continuous. That is the difference between continuous or non-continuous. Okay, good students. Now I will teach you how to selecting continuous, how to selecting non-continuous. Just I say, listen carefully. Continuously you can select, that means that is a select if you insertion pointer starting with the text where it is, you can select that push that place, you can keep your insertion pointer, next what we'll do, that is, see here, that is shift key you can press, after what is it, click and drag your mouse or right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow is there, no, up arrow press means line by line you can select upside, down arrow press means downside, you can one by one line you can select all. Okay, then right side, left side means left side one character will be selected, right side means one by one character right side should be selected, so that is called to continuously you can select it. Okay, continuously you can select it. So this is used for the selected test in the operations. Okay sir, next non-continuous, that is a non-continuous, how to select that means, that is a non-continuous how to select that means, that is, see here, that is one of the control key you can press. So continuously select means shift key you can use, non-continuous means where it is select, that is it, that is what is control key you can use. So now you can see that. So listen. So students, see here, non-continuous means select, you can wherever it is you can select, first keep the insertion pointer, after that hold the control key, the hold the control key means, that is what is this, click and drag means control key and drag the across till required text selected and release the control key. After required selected means again you can select the control key. First line you can select means if you release the control button, again you can select, again you can click and drag means the fifth line you can select it. So this is used for, that is a continuous or non-continuous selecting the text. Okay, so next I will teach you selection by different way. So selection way, different methods. Okay, first of all, how to select the text, that is a mouse also you can select, keyboard also you can select, then shortcut method also you can select. Okay, shortcut method, how to, the three methods how to select, that means mouse how to select, take the first points, each and everything one by one step is there. So listen carefully. Take the insertion pointer, start to the starting of the text. After that what is this, hold the left mouse button, you can across the selecting in the click and drag. After release the mouse button, if you required portion, if you selected, after that what, the selected text you can highlight it. This is one of the selection mode. Sir, keyboard how to select it? Keyboard only now I told. What is this? Shift key. First of all, what is this? Take the insertion pointer to start the text. After that what? Shift key you can press. Okay, the continuously you can select, that means shift key. Non-continuous means control. That is a control. This is used for the selection within the keyboard. Okay, keyboard only if you select, that means that is a movement keys. Means what? Up arrow, down arrow, then what is this? Right arrow and left arrow. Okay, so next what is this? Shortcut selection for the shortcut method. Shortcut method means how to use. See here, one word should be selected means double click in the word. Particular word if you select means that word you can double click in the left mouse button. Sir, entire document if you select means control plus A. Control plus A means what will do? That is a entire document should be selected. Okay, entire document will be selected. Okay. Okay students, now I will teach you see here, that is a moving the text and copying the text. How to copying the text, how to moving in the text. Okay, so this is a copying and moving the text. Sir, moving mean, first of all I will teach you moving means what? One place, one line if you cut, another place you can move paste, means that is a moving the text. So first step, what is this? Select the text in removed text mode. Okay, select the text to be moved. Next what will be to, that is a, see here, that is a control X or edit or cut, edit or cut, edit or cut. Otherwise you can cut icon is there, otherwise you can cut icon is there. If you press means the text you can remove, that place you can, the source location is here removed. Okay, source location is here removed. Okay, next what is this? That is here, see here, we take which place this text you want, that place you can keep it your instruction pointer. Next what is this? How to paste? So this is here three types: Control plus V or paste icon or edit paste. That is your wish. The required text you can move to one place to another place you can require. So next I will teach you, that is here copying the text. That is here copying the text. The copying the text what will be to means, that is the old place also is there, then new place also is there. Old place also is there, then new place also is there. So that new place what will do means, that is here, see here, that first you can select the text in copy, which text you can copy, the text you can select. After that what, there is a three shortcut, three method is there: Control plus C or copy icon or edit copy. Otherwise what is, if you copy it, that is here, which text you can select, that copy. Next what will do, that is a duplicate copy. That is a duplicate copy. There is a duplicate copy. What is it? Where it is you can paste, that place you can keep your text point. After that what is this? Edit paste, or what is this? Edit paste or Control plus V or paste. Okay, this is called, what is this? Copying the text one place to another place. Okay. So next what will do means, that is a shortcut methods. That is a shortcut method means the each and everything what will do. See here, this is what, this is a cut copy. That is a three method I say no, that is a same method. That is a action means cut the selected text. That is a that. Okay, this is what, this is this one, Control plus X or cut icon. Copy means what? Copy icon or Control plus C. Next what is this? Paste. Paste means what? Paste icon. Next what is this? Control plus V. So undo means what then? Your operation, if you cancel means, so this operation will be do. That is it. This icon in toolbar is there. Otherwise Control plus Z means that is the undo action. That is a undo action. Okay, good. So next I will teach you, that is a paste special. What is this? Paste special. So paste special means what will do means, that is a space. The paste special means whatever, when you move or copy the information, the paste option you can use to send the information to the whole. But to move or copy it, only some aspects data, like only formatting or only value or paste. That is a space special means, that is a table or data or that color only I want, that is a value only you can paste. So that like many special is there. So that is called what? That is a paste special. The paste special, how to use that means, first of all you can select. How to select that means, particular text you table or whatever it is you can select means, that is a select, edit, paste special. Space special means after what you will do, just you can control plus shift plus P, otherwise alt plus E plus S. The paste means particular figure only you can display. So this dialog box appear. This dialog box appear means, that is a what is it, that is a DD link also is there. DDE link also, that is a DDE means dynamic data exchange. So this is after you can select, that means select your type application, that click OK. See this OK you can click, that means the copy the data is pasted in document with the link. So this is what will do means, that is a exchange. See here, dynamic data exchange is here the mechanism of whereby the stored data can be pasted in the destination to linked live copy of that organization. Any changes in the source immediately reflect to the your destination point. So that is called to what? That is a spaced special. That is next I will teach you, that is a help system of writer. So many help is there. That is a offline help is there, online help is there. That is a offline, that is a your system menus also is there. That is a F1. Your help button you can click, that means, so this dialog box will be appear. Just you can whatever it is, tools, options and open office. So many things is there. So this is the what you help you can explanation. You can see that help explanation here will come. So whatever help, that is a editing, copying, whatever it is, you can select, that means. So this is called what? This is a help of system in the open office. Okay, this is called what? This is a help system in the open office writer. So this chapter is over. Okay, this chapter after what is this is a next text formatting I will teach you next class. Okay, thank you students.